Welcome to Utopia 2025, where the vibes are chill, the browsing is smooth. And the proxies though, yeah, we've got 10 brand new Utopia web proxy links, ready to transport you to your favorite sites like you just unlocked the secret level of the internet. These links are safer than wearing socks with sandals in winter and smoother than your teachers. Motivational quotes. Whether you're looking up very serious academic stuff or just daydreaming your way through study. Haul, Utopia! Proxies are your one-way ticket to peaceful, no-drama browsing. No sketchy glitches, no digital detours, just clean and student-friendly surfing. So, hit like it's your escape button. Subscribe before your next class kicks in. And scroll down to the description for all 10 dreamy links. And hey, if a rainbow suddenly shoots out of your screen and your mouse starts singing elevator music, congratulations. You've officially achieved Utopia mode.